Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this episode, I want to talk about garnishments. Garnishments is a way for a creditor to enforce a money judgment. Some people refer to it as something that can happen to you all by itself, and that's just not true. A garnishment is a means of executing on a money judgment. It can't happen until there is a judgment. So if you get a notification that some money has come out of your bank account or out of your paycheck and you are surprised, you really shouldn't be surprised, because procedures happened leading up to this result. So I have another video talking about what happens if you ignore a summons. If you ignore a summons and it's a lawsuit and you don't show to court and you don't answer, then there's going to be a judgment against you, and then bam, if they know where you bank or where you work, you're going to get a garnishment issued against you. A garnishment against earnings generally takes 25% of your wages. A lot of states now have this continuing until the judgment is satisfied, so it's going to be on there on your check until the amount is paid in full. And in some situations, if there's a high interest rate or there's a large amount due, depending upon what your salary or your pay is, you may never pay it off. So now, while a garnishment takes a percentage out of your paycheck, a garnishment against a bank account can wipe out that bank account all the way up to the amount of the judgment. Those garnishments typically have to be refiled, but there may be some states where it's continuing as well. So that's what a garnishment is. It is an order to take your money out of one of your accounts. It can also be used to attach money that's owed to you by someone else. So if you have a contract that's due, some freelance work that's due, some other means of money coming to you, a deposit somewhere, a garnishment can attach those funds as well and pay it over to the creditor until the judgment is satisfied. So please don't ignore papers that you get when somebody is suing you or making a claim against you. And this goes for the government as well if there's a tax issue. Now the IRS can garnish way more than 25%, and that's really not good for you. So don't let this happen. Take care of your situation in advance, and then you should be make a deal with them or make some type of payment arrangements, because otherwise, once this hits, there's not a lot you can do about it. All of your time frame has already passed. So don't worry about it happening right out of the chute. People say, or they'll send a demand letter and say, we can do all of these things to you, but first they have to have a judgment. And if their claim is not legit, get in there, sort it out, and make it go away. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any comments, leave them below. Share it with someone who may be concerned, or someone may be threatening them and they need to know what this is all about. And please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.